Hello, my students. Today we need the reader book, the small book, the reader book, ¿ok? And el libro pequeño de lectura. Nosotros vamos a leer hoy un cuento de esta semana. Okay, the Robert First Case. You need to copy the date and July 2020. Topic, Robert First Case. Performance, read a story. This is the page. Wait for me. You need to, where is here. Okay, pay attention. This is the page, the Robert First Case. Okay, we can read together. Vamos a leerlo juntos, ok? Yo leo primero y ustedes después. Yo los espero. Ok, we start. The huge mansion was dark and quiet. The moon was bright and covered every scene with its silver light. An owl hooted and far away, and train whistled. It was the middle of the night, and the servants were asleep. But in the master bedroom, Lord Avery was awake. He opened the safe behind a painting and took out a large ruby. There was a table next to the open window. Lord Avery sat at the table and admired the ruby. He was happy but tired. He put the ruby on the table and returned to his bed. In the morning, the sun was shining, but the ruby was missing. Okay, the story is in a mansion. Look, it's a big house. And describe that the moon is shine and the color is silver. Silver cover the color silver cover all, okay? Look, entonces es en una mansión y nos dice que la luna está brillante y que su color plateado cubre todo. And the servants was sleeping. Look, they are the bedroom, but all the servant was sleeping, okay? And the owl is here and far away, and hooded es algo así, okay? And look that here in this master bedroom, o sea, la habitación más importante, the master bedroom was Mr. What is the name of the Lord Avery? Lord Avery. This is the Lord. He is the Lord Avery. and he sat on the table. Yes, he take on the table and has a ruby. He has a ruby, and when he admired, I lost his. Okay, he was very happy. He was very happy and tired. Okay, but when in the morning the sun, not the moon, the sun, the opposite, the sun was shining, but the ruby is missing. Okay, continue. Okay, we start. Lancelot Rhines, the famous detective, and you repeat, okay? Or read. Was with his nephew Robert. They were in Lancelot flat enjoying a game of chess. There was a knock on the door. Lancelot opened it, but no one was there. There was a sound of footsteps on the stairs, and a letter was on the floor. Lancelot, I need your help. I am at Black Moon Manor. The fabulous Avery Ruby is missing. Come quickly. Police Inspector Tucker. Okay. They are Lancelot. Lancelot Rhines, he is a famous detective with the nephew, el sobrino, okay? Robert. He is Lancelot and he is Robert. They were in a flat. In the flat, enjoying. Flat is similar to apartment, yes? In a flat, enjoying a game. And Sunset knocked the door. Wait for me, knock the door like this. Knock the door. Lancelot opened, but no one's there. There was a sound of a footstep on the stairs, and the letter was on the floor. Okay, Lancelot, él es Lancelot y él es Robert, están en un apartamento y están jugando un juego de parqués y escuchan que alguien toca, knock the door, ya les dice knock the door, and open it, but nobody there, no hay nadie ahí, nobody there. There was the sound of footsteps on the stairs and the letter was on the floor. Vamos a ver qué decía the letter, una carta en el piso. The letter, I need your help. Necesito su help, ayuda. I am at Black Moon Manor. Okay, ahí nos está diciendo dónde está. Come quickly, the police inspector, okay? Lo está llamando un inspector. Okay, the activity for today is that you answer, please, this question. You only copy the topic performance and answer the question. Is Lord Avery rich? Is he rich? Is the ruby there in the morning? Is the ruby there in the morning? Okay, this is the activity for today. Bye, my students. Tomorrow continue with the story. Bye.